Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss with you about a career opportunities regarding to this horticulture course. So actually the course consists of a very huge amount of jobs, so in both private sectors as well as in government sector. So in this video I am going to discuss with you what are the jobs are available in present situation. So guys, before discussing about jobs part, so I need to tell you about what is the eligibility for this horticulture. So basically guys, eligibility for this horticulture course is nothing but you have to be passed out with a PCMB or PCB. So then only you have a chance to enter to this horticulture course. So guys, basic fee structure for this horticulture fees around 1 lakh. So guys, here it is. There are a huge amount of jobs are present in a government sector as well as in private sector. So guys, here it is. There are the few opportunities for you in government sector. So if you are interested to do as a scientist, then you will get a high amount of salary compared to others. So there is a job that is nothing but a horticulture scientist. So in that scientist there are the three sectors like a principal scientist, senior scientist and scientist. So they may vary like this salaries like 1,99,200 rupees for month. Senior scientist may earn 1,84,200 rupees per month. Scientist can earn 1,25,200 rupees per month. So if you want to be a professor, then you will earn a salary like this 85,200 rupees to 1,25,000 per month. It is better opportunity guys. If you want to be a lecturer or a professor, then it is the best opportunity. So otherwise, if you don't like to be a professor or any other like, so you can also become like a horticulture officer guys. Here the salary is of 58,227 rupees per month. Otherwise you can become a horticulture development officer. You may earn like 52,000 around the salary will be per month. So here it is guys, fifth position in the government place is agriculture field officer. So you may earn a salary like 42,200 rupees per month. So guys, if you interested to do horticulture section officer, then you will get a salary like a 40,000 per month. So next to that position, a seventh position which is a assistant agriculture officer, then you will get a salary like 39,100 rupees per month. Guys, it is also best for a horticulture student. So guys, eighth position which is nothing but horticulture assistant. So you may earn a salary like 34,800 rupees per month. So guys, you may also work as like a horticulture farm manager. You will get a salary like 30,500 rupees per month. So guys, otherwise you can also work like horticulture inspector. You may earn a salary like 22,800 rupees per month guys. So guys, these are the top 10 jobs which are available in government sector. So next to that, I am going to discuss with you about private jobs which have a huge amount of salaries. So guys, here it is. You can also work as botanical gardens jobs, like a floriculture jobs, like forestries, like a golf course superintendent in jobs. You will get a high payment jobs like jobs here. These are the private sectors which are available for you guys, like greenhouse production jobs. They may present in like both in private as well as in government sector guys. You may also work as in nursery work, nursery jobs also available for you guys. Horticulture research jobs also present in both private sector as well as in government sector guys. You may also work like hydroponics, or you can also irrigation jobs. You can also get a secure like landscape horticulture, landscape management jobs, every thing related to nursery management jobs. So here it is a guys, planting propagation jobs also. So here that is a huge amount of jobs are available for this horticulture student guys. So don't miss that chance. So here it is guys, like plant crop physiology also you can get a jobs from here department from this also, and you can also get a jobs from this department like plant breeding and biotechnology. You can also get like sales and marketing officer, viticulture. You can also get like pomology, everything related to this. This is all about horticulture guys. So if you like this video, please do like and share and do subscribe guys. See you in the next video.